And finally, Mr. Nides, about the U.S. pullout from Afghanistan, which will next year we're going to see much more troops being boots off Afghanistan. Has there been any interaction with the Pakistani government regarding what will be the future strategy? Again, the biggest enemy, like you said, the common enemy between Pakistan and the United States is terrorism.
As you know, we named after, unfortunately, Ambassador Holbrooke passed away. We named a new ambassador for Afghanistan and Pakistan, Ambassador Grossman, who has been here, who has met at the highest levels of your government. All those discussions around reconciliation, as you know, President Karzai was just here. Pakistan is in the middle of all of those discussions because we clearly believe to have a peaceful solution in this conflict will come through and help with the help of the Pakistani government. As you know, President Obama has laid out a very clear timeline for troop withdrawal by 2014. We will, in fact, be reducing troop levels. We are committed to do that. Our allies are committed to do that. We are committed as the Pakistanis is to find reconciliation. I think it's critically important. So we feel that the Pakistanis are partners with that. They believe, as we do, we need to find an answer to this. It's good for the Afghan people, the Afghanistan people. It's good for the Pakistanis. It's good for America, and we'll work together to try to do that.
The Pakistani who's watching you as the voice of the United States here in Pakistan, what would you say to them? How is it that the United States is helping Pakistan, and what can they do in helping win the fight against terrorism?
I would say that, very simply put, we are partners. We are friends. We sometimes disagree, and that's okay. Just like you disagree with your neighbor, and sometimes you disagree with your spouse. That's okay, because what long-term relationships, long-term friendships can get over that. That the United States is committed to a strong, independent, and an economically dependent Pakistan. And our hope is through not only our assistance, but our relationships, our bilateral relationships, we will continue to strive for that. And I think our most important thing is we're committed to this relationship. And I think the Pakistani people should understand that. I think they understand that. And we hope to continue to communicate that by visits like myself and other high-level government officials, because it's interesting. It's all about the kids. I just left a meeting with high school students. The YES program, which the United States sponsors in its exchange program, and I was with 25 kids who had just spent a year in the States going to different high schools around the United States with host families. And they're our best ambassadors. They were in the United States. They understand the culture, and they understand what the United States is about. But most importantly, they also taught the United States what Pakistan is about. Now, if we could send every Pakistani to the United States and every American to Pakistan, we would have no problems.
Mr. Nides, thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you.